Chef Raheem. I'm 12 years old. Today, in honor of the Super Bowl, I'm going to teach you how to make honey garlic wings. For this recipe, you're going to need smoked paprika, black pepper, ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, honey, brown sugar, and chicken wings. The first step is you're going to preheat your oven to 395 degrees. Next step is to coat the wings. We're going to take our wings, put them in a bowl, and we're going to mix them with garlic paste, with ginger garlic paste, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Now you gotta mix it. Wings are coated, so now I'm gonna get ready to bake them. I'm gonna start by oiling the baking sheet. And then I'm gonna spread my wings on them. Wings are coated, so now they're going to go in the oven. Wings have been cooking for 25 minutes in a convection oven, so now I'm going to take them out and coat them. I'm going to start making my coating. First, I'm going to take my brown sugar and put it into the soy sauce. Then I'm going to mix it. Once it's mixed, I'm going to take my soy sauce and brown sugar mixture and mix it into the honey. Now I'm going to mix it. The three ingredients together, and you're going to take your wings, put them in a bowl, and now I'm going to take my honey, brown sugar, soy sauce mixture and pour it over my wings. Mix well so everything is nice and coated. Now that my wings are coated, they're going to go back in the oven. Now they're going to go back in the oven for 6 to 7 minutes. My wings have been cooking for 4 to 5 minutes. It's time to take them out. Wow. The whole house smells like honey and garlic. It smells really good. Hi, I'm Chef Raheem. I'm 12 years old. If I can make honey garlic wings, so can you. Time to eat. I'm hungry.